The reality about turmeric for chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia, CFS. Although the study on specific supplements is promising, it is still too early to say whether they are beneficial. Turmeric herb has been used for millennia in Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and Unani medicine to treat various illnesses, including arthritis pain. The key ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, may help the body withstand inflammation, according to modern science. Since curcumin functions as a painkiller in your body, turmeric may be worth trying for fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome even if there is little study on the topic. I'll stick to research and tell you the truth about turmeric for treating fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome in order to keep things as easy as possible. CFS. Turmeric for CFS and fibromyalgia. If you have fibromyalgia and experience pain, exhaustion, and sleep disturbances, you might wonder if natural nutritional supplements can offer you an alternative form of pain relief. The specific question is being debated by medical professionals. Consider the duration of a supplement's administration to treat fibromyalgia symptoms. The long-term effects of more recent supplements, which have grown popular in the last 3 to 4 years, are still unknown because they lack a long track history or record. You may, however, assert that immediate impacts have been determined. The symptoms of fibromyalgia, a chronic ailment, include body aches, exhaustion, and sleep disturbances. People with the condition have an increased pain sensitivity, though scientists are not completely sure what drives this. Turmeric's curcumin may have a number of health advantages that could aid with CFS and fibromyalgia symptoms. Studies haven't yet looked at it, especially for these illnesses, as I mentioned earlier. To determine what turmeric/curcumin can do for us, more research and analyses are required in addition to the existing research. The spice is recognized as an antioxidant substance, approver of anti-inflammatory, antiviral medication, digestive support, antiseptic cream as a wound healer. It has been used to treat a variety of ailments, including pain, inflammation, and arthritis, anti-cancer medication, cognitive impairment, treatment for skin diseases, gastrointestinal system, hypertension, infections of the urinary tract. When combined with vitamin D, protecting against dementia, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's illness. Preventing liver injury. Reducing the risk of breast cancer in postmenopausal women. Reducing the chance of developing diabetes, type 2. How might turmeric help those who have fibromyalgia or chronic fatigue syndrome? Because turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces oxidative stress brought on by free radical damage, it is possible to treat or manage the pain associated with fibromyalgia. Inflammation can harm the nerve endings in the brain and spinal cord since it is a common sign of fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome. According to a 2016 study, curcumin proved both safe and efficient for treating the symptoms of depression and the side effects of antidepressants. An ingredient in turmeric called curcumin aids in the development of new brain cells. This may have a good effect on cognitive symptoms like forgetfulness, concentration, and focus issues. Additionally, it might benefit those with fibromyalgia or chronic fatigue syndrome who struggle with memory issues, stress, and attention span, CFS. Due to curcumin's capacity to regenerate new brain cells, it is well known among scientists, neurogenesis. Turmeric dosage and application instructions for fibromyalgia and CFS. According to the Joint Expert Committee on Food Additives of the World Health Organization, the European Food Safety Authority, and the United Nations, the recommended daily intake (ADI) of curcumin is between 0 and 3 mg per kg of body weight. The average dietary consumption in India and other Asian countries, where turmeric is a common ingredient in traditional dishes, is frequently calculated to be between 1 to 2 grams per day. According to a 2016 study, curcumin proved both safe and efficient for treating the symptoms of depression and the side effects of antidepressants. Before beginning any supplement program, you should acquire your doctor's approval because the study employed a high amount of curcumin, 1,500 milligrams. You can take turmeric as to lessen the frequency of discomfort felt by people with fibromyalgia and CFS. The essence of the discussion above is: a spice with many health advantages is turmeric. It has been used to treat aches, sadness, and mental health issues like forgetfulness and lack of focus. Turmeric can lessen the symptoms of fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome, but it is not a treatment for either condition. Additionally, it can raise your levels of discomfort, mood, and sleep quality. Thank you for viewing this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.